Here is the chef, Salim, and finely cut handmade kadayif doughs. Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes channel. In this video, handmade knife cutting kadayif will be made. Ingredients for kadayif dough: 700 grams of wheat flour, let's say 5½ glasses, half a spoon of grape vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of 100 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of water, 3 eggs. Add the eggs to the pot. Add sunflower oil. Add milk. Add water. Add salt with the tip of the spoon. Mix. Add lemon juice. Add grape vinegar. Add flour. First add 5 glasses of flour and keep 1 glass of flour on the side. Knead the dough. Added half a glass of flour depending on the situation. Knead the dough on the counter. You will get a very smooth dough. If you make a soft dough, it will be easier to expand. Roll up the dough. Divide the dough into 8 equal parts. Roll the dough with your hands. Sprinkle flour in the pan and add the dough. Add boiling water in a bowl, add the dough pot on it. You need to rest the dough in a warm environment. You can apply this process since we are on a winter day. Doughs can wait like this for 1 hour. While the dough is resting, you can prepare sherbet. 1 kilogram of crystal sugar. Beet sugar is used. Lemon salt. 1 liter of water. Add and mix the ingredients. Cover the syrup and boil for 5 minutes. Boiling for 5 minutes will suffice. Dough rolling stage. At first, flour is added and the dough is rolled out with a thin, long rolling pin. Opens at an average size of 40 centimeters. cornstarch is added to the rolled dough. Eight doughs are expanded in this way and added on top of each other. Doughs are added on the counter, expanding with roller. Starch is added in between. After the dough is opened, it will be good to dry slightly. You can open the windows to let the air in. Add 4 doughs in a row. Fold the dough. Finely cut the dough with a sharp knife. Sprinkle the dough you cut on the counter. We are really behind in YouTube videos, and I ask you to give a like and comment to this recipe. And if you want to donate, you can leave a tip using the super thank you feature. Support me. The dough is a bit of a hassle, but I'm sure I'll get a good taste in return for all that effort. One kilogram tray will be used. Grease the aluminum baking tray with margarine. Add half of the kadayifs. Add cracked walnuts. You can add coconut. It gives an aromatic smell and taste. Of course, this will not be in the original recipe. You can say Chef Salim difference. Add the rest of the kadayif. A method you can apply to have a slightly flat floor without pressing too much. Add margarine. Add some sunflower oil. Drizzle on the oil. Don't forget to add oil to the edges. Dessert ready for roasting. 170 to 180 degrees 20 minutes or 25 minutes is enough. Make sure the bottom and top are well browned. Turn the dessert in this way so that you can check the bottom and get a flat floor. Add it to the tray, wait for 10 minutes for it to warm up a little. You can add sherbet. Sherbet will be cold and kadayif will be warm. You can make this dessert in a 500-gram tray. It will be thicker. Wait 30 minutes after adding the syrup. After the dessert has cooled, you can cut it. You can cut 20 slices by listening to the crackling of the cut kadayif dessert. You can garnish it with pistachio powder. If you have the opportunity, you can get 3 colors by adding coconut and walnut. Since it is thin, it is very crispy, it is best to make it this way. I'm telling you as an idea, you can slice it smaller and put 2 slices on top of each other when serving.
This kadayif, handmade kadayif.
Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.